Hello and welcome. In today's tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of connecting and setting up your printer with the Item POS AP. First, make sure the printer is connected to a power source and the switch is turned on. Then, check if the printer's paper tray has receipt paper installed. Finally, ensure the paper is feeding correctly. The same applies to Zebra printers. Check the power and paper tray and ensure the printer can print normally. Next, access the tablet's settings and go to Bluetooth settings. Pair with the printer to be connected. During the pairing process, some printers, such as Zebra printers, may require confirmation on the printer itself to pair. Once pairing is successful, open the Item POS AP and log in. Select the appropriate store and POS. Tap the settings icon in the top right corner to access the settings menu. Find Printer in the menu on the left side and tap it. Find Add Printer on the right side of the screen and tap it. Then you will see a device list of available printers. Find your printer and tap Test Print. After the printing test is successful, tap Add to include this printer and return to the device list. You need to manually activate the printer from the device list. Now the printer is successfully added. Thank you for following along. We hope this tutorial helps you set up your printer with ease. Be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and guides. See you next time.